Let's learn and play. Let's learn and play.
Hey kids, are you ready to count? Let's go! Number one. Let's have lots of counting fun. Two, number two.
Can you count along too?
Three, number three. Come and sing with me. Four, number four. Let's count a little more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count with me, let's explore. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Clap your hands and count some more. 5, number 5. Jump around and feel alive.
6, number 6. Let's do some counting tricks.
7, number 7. Counting numbers is so fun.
8, number 8. Come on, friends, you're doing great.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Count along, it's really great.
5, 6, 7, 8. Dance and count, don't be late. 9, number 9.
You're doing really fine.
10, number 10. Let's count them all again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Everybody count alive.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let's count together once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Great job, kids!
You counted to 10.